Hello everyone, it's Walker Lake, singer and entertainer here with another video. It is Monday. Woo, Monday! I hope you guys all had a good weekend. I know mine was very relaxing. But besides that, let's get to the song, shall we? And since I'm wearing a Michael Jackson t-shirt, I might as well sing another Michael Jackson song. Sorry, there was one last week, but maybe we could do this every week type of thing. Who knows? Michael Jackson Monday. Ha ha! I'm sorry. I'm just gonna sing it now. Here's Human Nature by Michael Jackson. Sung by me. Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, four walls won't hold me tonight. And if this sound is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Yeah. Looking out across the morning, the city's heart begins to beat. Reaching out, I touch her shoulder. I'm dreaming of the street. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, ooh, tell them why does he do me that way? If they say why, da 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 da, why does he do me that way? If they say why, ooh, tell them why does he do me that way? He say why, ooh, tell them why does he do me that way? They say why, da 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 da, why does he do me that way? I like living this way. There you have it, folks. That was Human Nature by the one and only Michael Jackson. Please make sure to subscribe for new videos every day. Thank you for watching this one. And I will be posting another video tomorrow. If you have any song suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comments. And I will, if I know them, I'll most likely sing them. And if I don't, I will take the chance to learn it. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.